Hello sweet soon, welcome back to my channel. This is Lady B. How is my lovely friends doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. So guys, today's video is another bonga video. So guys, today's video I will be sharing with you the first hair mask that I used to apply my baby hair. Actually guys, this is the first time I apply hair mask on her hair. Since she was born, I haven't applied any hair mask on her hair because I haven't barbed her natural hair and I haven't applied any hair mask on her hair. So this is our first time doing this. So let's see how it goes. The hair mask we'll be using is deep hair conditioner. The ingredient that we'll be using to make this deep hair conditioner, here I have olive oil, 2 ripe banana and 1 cup of honey. So these are the 3 ingredients that I will be using to make this deep hair conditioner. You know, in this channel we don't discuss much benefit in recipe, and all we bring here is for the good. In case you want to know the benefit of every ingredient, all you have to do is to visit my sister YouTube channel, the Authentic. She discusses much benefit in every ingredient. She is a very good teacher. You won't regret while subscribing to her YouTube channel. Her channel name is The Authentic. I will drop her link in my description box. In this blender, I add in 3 teaspoons of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of honey. So I will blend everything together. After blending, this is how it looks. The next thing for me to do is to pour it inside my filter and stream it. The first time I come across this deep hair conditioner is the house of Melon Gist. I will drop her link in my description box. So guys, visit her YouTube channel to learn more. Here is my baby hair, so I just finished losing her hair that she fits. All I have to do is to apply the hair mask on her hair.
Time to look at me that way. A mí me gusta all the dirty things you need every day. A mí me gusta cada detalle que te hago y que me haces bien. It's what I like, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's just what I like. A mí me gusta la mujer when they shake it, yeah, yeah, yeah. A mí me gusta when they want they go and get it, yeah, yeah, yeah. A mí me gusta, a mí me gusta, a mí me gusta. beat day. Todos los días en mi cumpleaños. Oh, I like it rough, don't take it easy. Que se I like it in the band. Me gustan los machos y que coman cuca. Haciendo el amor me jalen la peluca. Él me dijo que le fascina mi punta. A mí me gusta el dinero, no tengo punta. I like girls that kiss on girls, eso me pone on fire. I like working on my head is yo tengo el sazón de una afro-latina y muevo mi cintura como Shakira. La calle Anita, tú sabes, mamacitas. Bad bitches, me gusta tu vida. Las mujeres when they shake that a mí me gusta when they wanna go and get it. A mí me gusta, a mí me gusta, a mí me gusta.
After applying the hair mask, this is how it looks. So what I will do is to detangle the hair. Detangle the hair, I will add in the remaining hair mask. The next is to massage the hair. She is here crying because this is her first time doing this. So in this video, she really stressed me really. So she's crying a lot here. After massaging, so I will comb the hair. After combing, I will let this hair to rest for 10 minutes before I will wash the hair with warm water. Now we are done washing the hair. You see how this looks. So I will apply her baby hair cream on the hair. This deep hair conditioner is very good to make use of. Even you as a mother can use it to wash your hair. It's very good to make use of. You can see how this hair look. Last week I watched one of my sister video, Salu Edobo. So this is the same hair mask she used to wash her daughter hair. You can see guys, this is very good to go. So this hair mask is very good to go. You as a mother can make use of it. So it's very good to go. This is all about this video. If you enjoy watching with us, you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to your sister YouTube channel, Lady B, because we do a lot in this channel. We cook food, we make hair, so we do a lot. Don't forget to share my video to your lovely friends. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Time you look at me that way, a mí me gusta all the dirty things you need every day. A mí me gusta en cada detalle que te hago y que me haces bien. That's what I like, yeah, it's just what I like.